the Mazda 3 hatchback, at the exact moment when the doors are in the very process of closing. At this moment, the tank cap is opening by itself, and that is not the way it should operate. Today, we are going to replace the small motor that is responsible for the action of opening and closing the tank cap. In order to reach this motor, which is located inside the assembly, we will first need to carefully remove the rubber bushings that hold it in place. Then carefully press the plastic clips and steadily and firmly pull them toward yourself slowly. To remove the rubber bushings, we can just use a standard pair of ordinary tweezers. And gradually draw them toward yourself, but only in a very careful, deliberate manner so that they do not tear apart here. This is how it looks. In the same way, we also carefully pull out this piece and set it aside for examination. Then we select a slender metal rod that would fit snugly into this opening, the kind that can slide in without forcing anything. We insert it there and apply a slight pressure, just enough to move the parts without damage. There are such clamps or fasteners that need to be bent a touch to release their grip. We bend them gently and draw them toward us with steady motion, so that nothing prevented or obstructed our action of removing the cap, enabling us to carefully rotate it and gradually pull it away from its seat. And we are removing this cap as well. To remove the cap itself, we would require a screwdriver of the type shown here. Here is one such tool, and here is a hole. We insert it here and firmly press this particular little latch mechanism. There are also several holders on the fuel tank cap, but it is specifically this middle holder that keeps it securely in place. Thus now, when we press it, we pull it toward ourselves, toward us as one group all together. That did not get in the way at all, and we slowly but surely pull it toward ourselves inch by inch. Here is how it is done, step by step, so you can follow the procedure with ease. In this way, we carefully extract the small motor from its mounting and from its position in the assembly. Then we proceed to remove the cable and disconnect the connector that links the two parts together. This is what this particular portion of the device looks like when you view it from the side. In order to replace this motor, you will need to unscrew two bolts that secure it in place. For the task of unscrewing them, we will use a Torx T20 driver, which is suitable for the fasteners used in this construction. Yes, and two bolts. We have a brand new compact little motor for this task. This is exactly how it looks, as you can see, and its serial number too. We have installed a brand new compact little motor. We will connect the connector and then carefully try to close the car. Please take a look and see if it works or not. The component is also securely in place. Now we will try to close the car again. It operates identically. Next, in order to reinstall this lid back on, we have these clamps. We have the same here. Accordingly, we will place it here. And we begin by carefully and gently extending it in this precise direction. And there, voila, it is finally in its intended place.